What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, guys. ADA currently sitting at 165. We're up almost 9% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 53.91 billion. 24-hour volume 2.18 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So ADA is starting to break out. We have all our buy zones here. Our average price sitting right around 182. You can see we created a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders and we've broken out. So our target is pretty close to this level of resistance, 174. Your target's at about 177 for ADA. So if we can push back above the EMAs, we have a large bullish divergence. You can see here creating lower lows, higher lows on the 4-hour RSI, signifying the bears are losing strength and the bulls are taking back control. So we're going to look at ADA here on the daily. So ADA is also holding a trend line of support. As you can see here, we've come all the way back down to the 0.5. We're in the floor on the RSI as well as the MACD. We trended into oversold. The last time we trended this low on the RSI, we saw a massive move to the upside, and it looks like that's what's going to happen again here for ADA. But it's not financial advice, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada, and you can see the MACD is about to cross over, have the bullish cross. You can see here we had the bullish cross, juicy pump. We had the bullish cross way down here as well, juicy pump to the upside. All right, guys. So it looks like ADA is bottoming out and looking strong for continuation. We have our bull run target, $6.11, $7.93, and the 2.618. I don't think it will reach that price target, but it's up at $11.11. You never know, guys. But as of right now, my target for ADA is the 2 extension, which is coming in about $6.11. We also have the 1.618, which is coming in about $4.37 for ADA. So good time to load the bags as an investor. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But I do think we're bottoming out here for ADA. If we look at the weekly time frame, you can see here on the weekly, we came all the way down to the 55 EMA and we've bounced. We wicked down, we touched the 55, and we're starting to print a beautiful green candle here. So we're looking healthy for continuation. ADA went through quite the correction here, guys. Not gonna lie, I believe our correction was almost as large as our correction over the summertime. If we look here, let's see how big this correction was. Wow, guys, a 54% correction for ADA. I even dropped in another buy zone just in case, but I was expecting a bounce here. So if you're using our DCA strategy, you are sitting a bit high. We're sitting about $1.82, but our first take profit zone is at $2.11. So that's a juicy little trade of about 15%. And if you're looking for an optimal entry point for ADA, I would definitely say right around this range. It looks like we're bottoming out, in my opinion, even if we were to come back down, create some sort of double bottom. But as of right now, we're looking healthy for continuation. It moves very closely with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's starting to break the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders, and the target's all the way up at 63.7K for BTC. It looks like Bitcoin's starting its next impulsive wave, and we've bottomed out here. So that's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.